AA, the Office of the President under President Marcos Jr. did in fact ask for and get an increase because dati 2.25 billion lang po ang intelligence funds pero naging 2.310. So there was an increase of 250 plus 300, 560 million. 560 million in intelligence funds from 2023, and the same is being asked, the same level, 2.310, being asked in 2026.
If I may respond, Mr.
Yes.
Speaker, Honorable Colleague, yan po ay hindi ni-request ng Office of the President. That was given during budget deliberations sa Senate po, at hindi po ito hiningi ng Office of the President, Mr. Speaker.
So, parahil ganun nga, no? Dahil if we remember, the increase here happened in 2023. Okay, perhaps that happened. Nevertheless, now it has been adopted by the office. That increased level has been adopted by the Office of the President in the NEP. No? Okay. Now, the first observation we'd like to make is that, as we know, confidential and intelligence funds are released to the office in cash. Does the sponsor confirm that? Cash po, tinatanggap.
Tama po yun, Mr. Speaker, Honorable Colleague.
And this cash is disbursed quarterly. No? So, yung, halimbawa, confidential funds for 1 quarter in 2024, no, because this is the one where we have complete figures. 1 quarterly disbursement would be 562.5 million pesos for confidential funds and 600 million pesos for intelligence funds. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Mr. Speaker, Honorable Colleague.
Okay, so sa isang quarter, ganun po, total of 1.162 billion pesos ang tinatanggap ng Office of the President in cash, no? Presumably, tanong lang po, curious lang, meron naman sigurong vault. Meron kayang vault ang Malacanang para itago ang 1 billion, mahigit 1.1 billion in cash, no?
Mr. Speaker, Honorable Colleague, ito po'y over the quarter, that is 3 months.
Yes.
At ito po'y dumadaan sa proseso ng COA.
Yes.
So hindi po ito nakukuha in bulk dahil nililiquidate lang po or dinodraw lang po ng Office of the President per quarter. So 3 months, that's 90 days, dyan po ginagamit. So
Yes,
hindi po ito
we
bulto.
understand. Okay.
Mr. Speaker, Honorable Colleague.
Sige po. Okay, we will not belabor the point. Anyway, the point is in 1 quarter, we're talking about 1.1 billion pesos in cash per quarter. And then the other observation is that according to the statement of ano nga ba to, yung disbursements and obligations and disbursements. I forget the exact acronym, parang SAOB, ganun, ano? Ayon po sa dokumento na yan ng Office of the President, the funds are released, sabi nga, quarterly in the mentioned amounts earlier, and the disbursement, the reported disbursement of the Office of the President is exactly as released. No? So, ibig sabihin, nagagastos po lahat per quarter. Ni isang kusing ay walang natitira po, no, sa cash disbursements, no? Every single peso is spent. Does the sponsor confirm na quarterly wala po ni isang butal, ni isang sentimo, ni isang piso na natitira? Ubus po lahat ito.
Mr. Speaker, Honorable Colleague, tama po yun. Efficient po ang pag-utilize
Okay.
ng Office of the President ng pondong ito.
Okay. So 100% utilization per quarter ang confidential and intelligence funds. Okay. This is unlike, ano po ba ang utilization ng Office of the President for its regular budget? No?